Hi Squirrel friends! So I wanted to give you a follow-up video, tell you all about our very first School2Home Kit that you can start picking up next week. So what you have in your School2Home Kit will be lots of colored construction paper, white paper, a ball, some foam blocks. They're nice and squishy that we can experiment with. Some watercolor paints, paintbrush, lots and lots of stickers, a box of crayons, and for your family to fill out, your grown-up, the ASQ-SE 2 and the ASQ-3. These forms we will be filling out together with me. So I hope that you enjoy your very first School2Home Kit, and I look forward to seeing you again. Okay, bye.